Hey there, boys and girls. This is it, the last day, whoop whoop, of January Daily Math. Let's look at number 1. Nice little mug there, little snowflake. And it says 5 equals 40 divided by something. So again, we could also write it as 40 divided by something equals 5, right? It doesn't really matter what side we put the equal sign on. This side has to equal this side either way, right? They have to be equivalent. What is 40 divided by a number equals 5? Well, we can also go 40 divided by 5 equals a number. Okay, so we can go that route, and we have the top number in the triangle. We have one of the bottom numbers. We're missing one, so we really need to divide. So 40 divided by 5 is 8. Draw hands on the clock to show 5:35. So let's do the minutes first. I like doing those. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. So I'm going to bring my minutes all the way out to the 35. Remember, I just like to get all the way out there and touch that line, because then I'm pretty precise, and it looks nice like that. So next I'm going to have 5 o'clock. So that really means I have to be somewhere between the 5 and the 6 with the hour hand. The hour hand, we're not going to quite reach out as far because we only have to reach these numbers, not the lines. So we're about halfway around. So I'm going to put my hour hand halfway between the 5 and the 6. And there we go, 5:35. Number 3 says, in the graph above, how many more students like penguins than monkeys and elephants? Okay, so we already know how many like penguins. We answered that, and we got it correct at 80. Now we have to figure out how many monkeys and elephants. So we're going to count, elephants and monkeys. So this time we're going to count both of these combined. So we would go, and again, they're counting by tens, right? So we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So there's 60 elephants and monkeys, okay? But that's not what we're looking for overall. We want to know how many more penguins, or how many more students like penguins, than the monkeys and elephants. So we knew that was 80. And since we're comparing, we're going to subtract here today. 0 minus 0 is 0. Numbers the same. 0 is a game. 8 minus 6 is 2. So there are 20 more students that like penguins than elephants and monkeys. Number 4 says, bye for now. We sure had fun doing math with you. Good job. This is an addition problem, so 532 plus 396. 6 plus 2 equals 8. And then we're going to move to our tens column. And 9 plus 3 equals 12. So we're going to put our 2 down there. And we're going to carry over that 1. And then we have 1 plus 5 plus 3. And that equals 9. And our last one, number 5. Take 3 groups of 8, add 12, divide by 4. What number am I? Okay, so 3 groups of 8. We know that that is 24. Okay, and then we're going to add 12. 4 plus 2 is 6. 2 plus 1 is 3. Okay, and then we're going to divide that by 4. So divided by 4. And we know that equals 9. What number am I? I am the number 9. All right, boys and girls, excellent job this whole month working so hard with your daily math. It's a great way to keep reviewing the skills that we're going over or that we went over a while back, and just an awesome way to kind of touch upon those and just use them again in another way. So awesome work, and we will see you in February Daily Math.